Hi everyone, so I'm about to bake my face and I just thought I should come here and tell you how I bake my face. So I'm using the Forever 52 banana powder and I usually use a small blender, but because it's not there with me right now, I'm going to use this blender only. I'll take some amount on the blender's pointed end and I'll get rid of the excess like so, and that's how I apply it. So I look up and I apply it with a very soft hand. Now remember, you don't have to make a very thick layer of powder under the eye, especially if the skin is dry and in winters, because it's going to make your makeup supremely dry. White cast aa sakta hai, patchy bhi ho sakta hai, or creasing aa sakti hai because of the excess deposition. Same thing I'm going to do on the other eye. I'll just look up and bake the under eye. Now remember, इस step से पहले you have to ensure that आपका concealer अच्छे से blended है. Now I'm going to take some more amount and apply it around my mouth. Why? These two areas need a good amount of baking because यहाँ पर fine lines आती हैं. Now for the rest of the face, I'm just going to use a brush and again some powder, get rid of the excess, and I'm just going to randomly and very casually just bake the entire face because हमारा बाकी जो face होता है वो इतना oily नहीं होता. So yes, I'm going to complete my look and be right back.
So that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I love you all.